In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to back up your Isaac save files. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions for you to back up your save files for Isaac Rebirth. This is going to work regardless of how many expansions you have. So if you have base Rebirth, this is going to work. If you have all expansions all the way up to Repentance, it's also going to work, or if you only have Afterbirth Plus and so on. Regardless, all that you have to do is go over to the Steam folder. So usually the default installation is going to be on the C drive, Program Files x86, and then Steam. If you installed your Steam launcher elsewhere, make sure to go to that specific folder. Once you are inside of the Steam folder, scroll down and go to User Data. You will find a folder here that has your Steam ID, open it up, and now there are going to be a bunch of folders with each ID representing a game on Steam. All that you have to do is find the game or the folder with the ID 250900. So it's going to be this one. As you can see, I have many games, so I had to look for it. But once you find the folder 250900, open it up and then go to remote. And as you can see, all of these files here are going to be related to your Isaac save. Now, if you don't want to think about this too hard, I recommend that you just copy all of these files. However, you will notice a pattern. You have persistent game data.dat, which refers to each save location or each save file. So if you go into Isaac, you might notice that you have 3 save files, and each of these with their own number are going to refer to those files. You then have persistent game data with AB on the front, ABP, and then rep. Rep means Repentance, ABP means Afterbirth Plus, and then AB means Afterbirth. You will notice that some of these files I have here are super old, even 2015. This is because they were my original saves during those expansions. I recommend that you sort them by date modified. This way you can find the latest save files that you've played in and you can back those up. But the best course of action is just to copy everything. So just copy the entirety of the folder elsewhere and always keep it safe. Whenever you need to go back and restore your save, just replace these files here with the backup that you made previously. I hope I was able to help you on how to back up Isaac save files. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.